Tech giant Apple confirms manufacturing iPhone 13 in India. This is significant because, as we've talked about in the past, increasingly you have assembly going on in India for Apple products. It's a relatively recent thing that's occurred. And what we're adding to it now is a move away from just the entry-level products or the previous generation products and into the premium or the flagship products. That those were still being imported, at least to a certain extent. And now they're saying, no. All signs look good. Let's go ahead and bring that assembly into India as well. And presumably that's going to initially be for the domestic market. So you would have an Indian-made iPhone 13 for Indian customers. Less so for export, is my understanding, at least in the past. Apple first started manufacturing in India with the iPhone SE back in 2017. We are excited to begin making iPhone 13 with its beautiful design, advanced camera systems for stunning photos and videos, and the incredible performance of the A15 Bionic chip right here in India for our local customers, Apple said in a statement shared with IANS. The tech giant manufactures some of its most advanced iPhones in the country, including iPhone 11, 12, and now 13. Now, obviously, this wasn't during the initial run, so if you wanted an iPhone 13 in India, when it first came out, you'd be buying one made in China, pretty much.
With tariffs.
And it would be pricey. And you've already seen some of these prices. I know you get very fired up, you see these prices.
Yeah. Wasn't the AirPods Max like $800 or something?
When you saw the AirPods Max price,
yeah,
you started going on the table over there.
Everything's just shaking on the table.
Yeah, it was like you were like a judge who has one of those
gavels.
Yeah, but he did that.
Yeah.
My fist was the gavel.
Why are you so angry, man? According to industry experts, the new Apple iPhone 13 series has benefited from the strong consumer appetite and spend to upgrade to premium smartphones. Okay, so listen, you're in India, maybe the price goes down now on one of these iPhone 13s, at least one of the ones that's made there. Mm-hmm. And possibly you get one of these devices exported from India to some of the regions that are nearby, bordering India. So it's a big deal. It's more jobs, obviously. And it also, for Apple, kind of gives them a little bit more flexibility.
Right, in pricing.
You saw what's going on, and we're going to talk about a little bit here later on, but the COVID stuff in China is like, it's intense right now.
Yeah.
We're going to talk a little bit about it as the show progresses here. You know, this is a comprehensive show. It's
right, we cover everything.
If it's there's nothing we don't cover, Mo. If it's if the people need to know,
we got to give it to them.
We let them know. Shout out Austin.